So we start with the Vensim model of page 239. First make a new model, stop after 20 periods, and initially we take the time step equal to 1. We put this level inventory, and we have two flows, the inflow and the outflow. And then we have to give the equations for both. Outflow is a constant, our initial inventory is 50, and then the more complicated formula is for the inflow, and there we look the if then else construction first. So if time is less than 5, the formula can be given by 100 minus 20 times the time. And for later intervals we go to the next if then else. If time is less than 10, the formula is 20 times time minus 100. And we could do the same later on. Time less than 15. Now the formula is 300 minus 20 times time. And then for the last part, again an if then else. If time less than 20, if 20 times time minus 300, and else we put it on 0. So we think we are correct now, but if we check, then it says, yeah, but I don't know time. So we have to add time to our model, and time is a shadow variable, so it's a known thing here, and we have to add it by an arrow to the inflow, so that it's clear which time it uses. Then we have to check the equation again. Now it's correct, and if we then simulate, we can check how the inflow looks. And then the inflow looks good until time 19. And the reason for that is that our time step of 1 is not accurate enough. So we have to put the time step as small as possible. Okay, we have to run it again and then check. We check our inflow, and now we see that it's correct. When we check the inventory level, the graph for that, we see the parabols up and down representing the inventory level. Now this looks all quite complicated, especially for the inflow. And there is a more simple way to model this, and that is using the ramp function. So if we have here a ramp, it has a slope. The slope is minus 20 in the first interval, and the interval is between 0 and 5. And further on we have ramps from plus 20 between 5 and 10, and another ramp again of minus 20 between 10 and 15, and then a last ramp of plus 20 between 15 and 20. Okay, and then we say, okay, we still have our time parameter here, we don't use it, so it warns for that, and we repair it in a simple way by putting 0 points time. If we simulate this, and we check the inflow again, then we see that it's exactly the same, and of course also our inventory is the same. And so this is the first example.